One of my guys pulled in here for lunch and said there was somebody out here that was videoing and taking photos of the crest of the building and whatnot.
He can do all that.
So
there we go.
I just wanted to double check. I asked him for some kind of ID in case.
He doesn't have to show you ID.
Okay.
No, it's all good. It's First Amendment.
I seriously think this man should change his channel name from I Am Free Inland Auditing to the Cop Whisperer. Welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. The other day I made a video asking for your help in acquiring body cam footage. My department, along with other departments in California, have denied several requests that I've made. A supporter named Connie emailed me and I Am Free Inland Auditing and connected us. Apparently he knows how to demand records like an absolute boss. I exchanged numbers with I Am Free and we spoke on the phone for over 3 hours. He had enough patience to navigate and teach me what to look for and how to do records requests. He also told me about filing lawsuits to demand those records. I believe this guy can help catapult this community to the top and in the right direction. He's professional, knowledgeable, and makes cops respect his rights. I feel like at this point, cops have to be coached on how to do their jobs correctly, since their training has been an abysmal failure. You guys watch this outstanding video, make sure to go subscribe to his channel. This right here is going to be the next great channel in auditing, guaranteed. You might as well be a supporter now before he hits 1 million subs. I'll drop his channel link in the description and pinned comment as always. Without further ado, here's your video, folks. Enjoy.
I'll go take it up with them, and then maybe they can just do a better job at doing their job. So, all right, thanks.
Hey, quick question.
Yeah.
What are you up to?
Oh, just recording and taking photos.
For
Just personal use.
okay. Well, I don't know that you're supposed to be inside here. That's our 911 dispatch center.
Oh yeah, that's why I didn't go past the crest of personnel only.
Right.
Yeah, totally have not gone beyond there at all.
Okay.
The only place I've come in was from the gate, and I checked to make sure it didn't say that it was just only authorized vehicles, so I didn't drive in here, just
Okay.
walked in here. So,
All right.
Yep, just taking photos of the 911 center. Kind of interesting. I assume you work for the Clark County Facilities Manager?
I do, yeah.
Cool. All right.
So, yeah, it just makes you a little curious when somebody's out taking pictures of this thing.
Ah, it's a nice day. It's not actually raining today.
Right?
Good day for photos. I don't think you can always set the standard to be make sure it's warm and even nicer. You know, you kind of got to just take the non-rainy days. That just makes it colder and more miserable, frankly.
So, do you have some kind of ID on you to tell me who you are?
Oh no.
In case something comes up?
No, yeah, I don't carry ID.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll call the sheriffs and have them come over and check you out.
Sure, yeah, you bet. I'll wait for him.
All right.
What was your name?
Bob.
Bob, okay. I'm
Yep.
Steve.
Isn't it funny how Bob is such a nice guy considering the fact that he's about to call armed men with guns who could possibly take your life? Steve from I Am Free Inland Auditing Media is all nonchalant about it. Like, sure, Bob, I'm ready to hit your curveball out of the park. Just pitch it to me, you nice fella.
Yeah, I'll, like I said, I'll just wait right here. I don't want him to think I'm running or anything like
Yeah,
that.
it's not a good idea.
No.
Not in today's world.
Yeah, no, for sure. Fortunately, I'm really obvious in my orange jacket.
Sure. Yeah. No, I get it. It just makes you curious.
Sure.
It's kind of a protected property, so.
Yeah. No, I try to, you know, do my due diligence, make sure there's no authorized personnel only signs, that kind of stuff. That's why when I looked at that crest of personnel only, I made sure that, you know, I didn't go beyond that. So definitely don't want to go where I'm not supposed to.
No.
So what do you do at the facilities management?
I manage the maintenance crew for them.
Oh, okay. So you're like the foreman, I guess.
Yeah.
All right. Been doing that long?
17 years.
No, that's a good clip.
It's not too bad.
Yeah. State retirement system in Washington State, from what I heard, is not too shabby.
Not too bad.
Yeah. Well, if you, I mean, not to be sarcastic, but you might be quicker if you just walk over there and knock on the door. It is 911 after all.
It is. That it is.
I mean, you're literally like 70 feet from it. I just go over and rap on the door.
They don't. Well, they would call the sheriff. We just see what's going on.
Oh, it was you?
Yep, it's me.
Do you know him?
No.
Oh, and what were you videoing?
Oh, just the 911 center.
Are you videoing me right now?
I am.
For what reason?
Just my own reasons. I record everything I go and do during the day. So.
Okay, you've got the videographer.
Supposed to be on his way.
Yep.
All right.
So, yeah, one of the guys pulled in and said there was somebody out here doing some photo shoot on the Cressa Center. So, I said, all right.
Yeah, but definitely made sure. I mean, I took
good.
notice of your Cressa personnel only sign, so I didn't go beyond that.
Get a deputy over here and we'll see what's going on. Because I asked him for ID. He doesn't want to relinquish any ID, so I know.
Yeah, I don't even have ID on me, actually. Ah, there we go. Cool.
There he is.
Good shot. All right. Hi, how are you? Good.
What's going on?
One of my guys pulled in here for lunch and said there was somebody out here that was videoing and taking photos of the Cressa building and whatnot.
He can do all that.
There we go.
I just wanted to double check. I asked him for some kind of ID in case.
He doesn't have to show you ID.
Okay.
No, it's all good. It's First Amendment.
I may have misunderstood that. Is that a SUV or is that a bald eagle that you rode in on? Because that's called freedom, people. You can record and photograph in public.
Amendment, sir.
Woo!
Good day. All right.
Man, that's a lot of freedom around here. All right, guys, have fun back in the 911 building. Try not to calm yourself.
Questions for me, sir?
No, I really, actually, could I get a business card?
Yeah.
Do you have one? Thank you. Woo! Clark County, loving the freedom around here. Jesus. Did you have a 6-pack of freedom juice before you showed up to work today?
No.
Man, I love it.
It's not my first day.
Now,
on the job.
why is there such a difference between you guys and the city of Vancouver? They were wearing some really high polished, almost knee-high boots earlier, and I was like, man, really nice hats. Kind of seemed like I've seen them in a World War before, but I couldn't remember which one that was.
Not real sure on that part, but
I'm not gonna try to trap you too much on that one.
I was glad I was able to help you out.
You have a good day.
You have a great day.
Take care. Oh boy, look at that, everybody's scattered. Woo. Love it. All right, guys, well, I think facilities got Title S and so did 911, and that fantastic deputy is Deputy Jimmy Rogan of the Clark County Sheriff's Department.
Here's what I like about Steve's channel. He conducts himself professionally. His approach to this is at an apex level. If this guy was a chef, he'd be the next master chef. Gordon Ramsay would use his dish in one of his Michelin star restaurants. I've binge watched his channel for the last 3 days straight, and I haven't been bored once. Every video this guy has is good. The fact that he took his time to speak with me for a long time to help me, as seasoned as I am as an auditor, is priceless. I'm not sure if you guys remember when I used to say in my auditing videos that I wasn't that smart, but I had a big foot that I wanted to jam in the doors so that more intelligent auditors could walk in behind me. This is that moment, folks. It's finally come to fruition. Of course, I'd like to be considered the smartest and the best auditor out there, but the fact of the matter is, I'm not as smart as I'd like to be. There's always somebody smarter than you out there, and tougher too. But that's a different video we may never see. I Am Free Inland Auditing Media has my vote for the best new auditor of 2023, and we just got into 2024. I'd like to see where he'll be at in 2025. If I could dig into my subscriber count and grab him a few thousand subscribers, I would. But this is the next best thing we could do. Give him a massive shout out. The way this guy talks to cops and public servants is absolutely priceless. They know they're not talking to a dummy. They can sense the true samurai walking through that door. Like I said, the Cop Whisperer would be a perfect name for his channel. How about the cop in this video? How nice is it to see this? The way the cop talked to Bob was like a teacher talking to the class clown. Poor Bob. His ego and entitlement was stifled. When the cops actually protect the rights of the people, this country functions properly. Thank you to Steve and the cop for giving us such a great interaction to learn from. I want to thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.